Hey, hello guys, this is Srinivas the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 16 August 2021. Here this is the problem they have given, ascending descending array. They will pass two different arrays with the value or size of m and n. We just need to print the array which is sorted in ascending order at first and descending order at last. If the both arrays are sorted in a same, like they are having this equal order, and we just need to consider the one which has the smallest integer value, like this. Like here everything is equal, here also everything is equal, there is no ascending or descending. So 10 is lesser than 15, so we just need to print 10, after that 15. And then here this is in descending order and this is in ascending order, so we just need to print this first and this one last. And here we have seen everything is equal and everything is equal. We just need to print the order as it is. We don't have to go worry about the length of the uh, given array. Here also like the same. So let's solve this in a programmatical way. First input for n, int of input, we are not going to use that, I'm damn sure. Here this is the first list. First equal to list of map of in comma input dot split, and this is for m, int of input, we are not going to use this one also. Last equal to second, but second consumes literally lot of character than last, so I'm stick with last. List of map of in comma input dot split. So now we got all set about the input. It's time to check for the equal and ascending order cases. Since they have mentioned two orders, it's like if this is ascending, if this is equal, we have to make condition for both time, right? But why don't we choose a condition like if this is descending? So it will take a lot of best examples or best cases. It will pass if first of -1 is greater than, or yep, greater than first of 0. So if the last value is greater than the first value, this is ascending, right? So let me put a condition like this. If first value is greater than last, here first is greater than last, so it should be printed at the last. For printing, print of star of last, and then print of star of first. So if this is descending, it should be printed at the last. Otherwise, if last of 0 is greater than last of -1, which is nothing but last, or else you can specify something like last of -1, which is nothing but last, is smaller than last of 0, which is nothing but first. We just need to swap the values. Here alt is not working, so I just need to put that manually. Print of star last. Okay, if the cases are descending, it will handle. What if the cases are equal and then ascending? Like if they are both descending, or if there is no descending order, like everything is equal or in just ascending order, we just need to handle that, right? If first of 0 is smaller than first of -1. So if first is in ascending order, we just need to print the first. Otherwise, just use the same logic for last. If last of 0 is smaller than last of -1. It's just the reverse of the previous logic. Everything reversed, like condition and also printing statement. Print of star of last and print of star of first. Otherwise, we have to check one more condition. If the both are in not an order, the both values are equal, we just need to print the value which contains the minimum values, right? According to the value, not the length. If last of 0 is lesser than first of 0, so if the last is lesser than first, we just need to print last, after that followed by first. Otherwise, we just need to print the statement as it is. Star of first, star of last. It may seems like a bunch of code, but there is nothing in it. It's just lines. Actually, we can reduce these lines by using some kind of weird functions, but I'm not going to stick with that because it seems simple. Like by the way itself, it's a self-expressing, right? Just a comparison between both. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since this is ascending order, 5, and the value is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we got ascending first equal last. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have checked these two rows. Now it's time to check this one. 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 3, 3, 2, 1. So it should print 1, 1, 1 and 3, 2, 1. It's in ascending order, right? Sorry. The descending should print at the last. We are just going to use the same, but this time 3, 3, 3. Actually, this will work, but it's a cringy thing, right? So 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3. That's all. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for review. Hope you really like and enjoy this video. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.